In this video, I'll show you how to turn off email alerts for saved searches on eBay. If you are sick of those eBay email alerts from saved searches, here's how to turn them off. Now let's open the eBay. Then tap your profile in the bottom right corner. From here, tap Save to see your saved searches items. Next, tap the Searches tab at the top to see all the searches you are tracking. Find the search you want to update. Tap the three dots, then tap Edit Search or Manage Alerts. This may vary slightly depending on your device. Then, simply toggle off the email alerts option. That's it, no more emails for the search. You can do the same for other saved searches, or delete them entirely if you no longer need them. It is quick and easy. Now, your inbox is clear.